Check. How we sound, producer? How we sound? We fully active? You don't know this is your boy Gallus J. We're there for Vybz Friday. We just go and play some music and pre-warm the sound. Ladies, make we talk to the first.
I'm still in love. Thing them call broken heart, this blessed love will never part. They don't know it from the start, me tell them.
The whole squad in the building.
Sean Paul and Sasha,
the
come sing for them, baby.
Alright, baby. Such Monday I wait for you. Mantalula, I pray. Make me soon to type out the lyrics in the chat right now. Remember, if you're just joining, share the live. We are warm up right now. Share the live.
And that's a man is just a man. That's a love.
Come on, wait. Alright, please. You can't come up here, so move on.
That's a loving from the start, but you know we're at the part. That's the way I make my love.
I'm still in love. Yes, I'm still in love.
What a man gotta do. What a man gotta do. Girl, but I never have a promise and no bling bling for all a girl. But I just love it when me fling control a girl. And I make your head swirl, and I make your body twirl, and I make you wanna be my one and only baby girl. Night after night, make you feel love to keep you warm. Girl, you never get this kind of loving from your bond. I know you want your cat, and me just can't perform. I know you get the little loving of a God.
You don't know how to love me.
I no time for no kissing and chow.
Not even how to kiss me.
I do me take your little advice, star.
I don't know why.
Baby girl.
I love you, baby.
I just dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Well, I'm a hustler and a player, and you know I'm not to stay. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
So girl, can't you understand that the man is just a man? That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
The blessed loving from the start, but you know we're at the part. That's the way I give my love.
I'm still in love. Yes, I'm still in
Ready?
Yo,
love.
what a man gonna do? What a man gonna do?
When I say Sean Paul, I'm gonna come and rush this.
Hey, I do me
Yeah.
Watch this.
Yeah. Feel it,
Make me show me say dirty party like a party.
Thunderfall. So me go so then. Well, I don't really care what people say. I don't really watch what them want do. Still I got to stick to my girls like glue. And I might not play number 2. All I know the time it is getting jet. Need a lot of trees up in my head.
How we looking in the chat? How we looking?
That real.
What you know?
Well, I know flicker girl, them on the road, them got the goody. One thing me have to tell them, don't take out the woody. Front way, back way, put the came on up and shove it. Virgin, them want give me, and me have to took it. Hot girls out the road, I say them see me. And I tell me, say them have something for give me. How much time I like them all a dream about the Jimmy.
Them a promise and I tell me say a baby.
But a promise is a comfort to a fool.
Remember
so
to
cool.
share the live with a friend, share the live with a friend.
The school. When I pet them, just wet them up just like a pool. When I dig into the way I feel, I'm told. But I don't really care what people say. I don't really watch what them want do. Still I got to stick to my girls like glue. And I might not play number 2. All I know is time is getting jet. Need a lot of cheese up in my head. And a lot of them telling my bed to run that relay. So how can they want big up them chests? But they don't know that to go put they rated as the best. I wouldn't they love it's the sound of all this. When I get a thing I got you only girls with a request. So give me the girl them. Yo when them give them regular visit. Just give me the girl them. Now them all a pressure me sell it last year. Me I did that for them off and me them big papa. Give me the girl them. Off of the chronic we take a jet. And I love me the bread. I got a jet. Give me the girl them. Every time I look in my mind is all the girls I'm gonna find it. Give me the light. Yeah. Just give me the light.
Like we said, Sean Paul carrying a party. Make me see the fire emoji right now. Come and fuck it up.
Just give me the light and pass the job.
All who used to go house party back in the early 90s, early 2000. One of them.
My flow, cause I'm in the vibes and I got my dough. What's another baklava? Girl, them looking high, but I got to know.
Badam, badam, badam,
Could I
bam,
be
bam,
your
bam.
protector? You're buffing every sector. Every man around them want on your inspector. Nothing to let them threaten, I grill you with no lecture. But the boys drill now, them fuel inspector.
And them a inspector.
Disease collector. Now for them a go like them walk come wreck ya. Don't know the part where you got in your center. But you know you not let them guide it affect you. Yo, girl, just give me the light and pass the joke. What's another baklava? Tell me I'm in sight and I got to know. Which one is gonna catch my flow? I mean, I'm the vibes and I got my dough. What's another baklava? Got them looking
That's
high,
the
but I
song.
got to
Remember the
know.
song? Watch out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Situation isn't really life again. Tell them what players, what the players that try and them the time.
That's the song. Them no see a good item this right. Wanna say shine for a girl like a party. Let me show you that style. Girl, say what I say.
Be floating, no provoking. Got the girls who were poking, got to smoking. Let's think for the recreation to get the best girls in the nation. Just give me the teams and we be clubbing, yeah. Y'all make me please and we be tugging now.
First of all, the artist 1 week and we are gonna pick a ready. That's how we are gonna start it.
Set to mind the teams, we gotta take
Badam, 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 badam.
the SB floating, no provoking. Got the words who were poking, got to smoking. Let's think for the recreation to get the best girls in every nation. Top of girls we promoting and supporting, and them lover we floating, hear them shouting. First class ticket invitation, girl from New York, England and Jamaica every day. We be burning and concerning what nobody wanna say. We be earning dollars, earning cause we minded how we pay. More than gold and all in diamonds, girls we need them every day. Recognize it, we pimping as we riding. Y'all them a page me want to rate me, show me riding up tune and drive them crazy. But I'm when I two born Jamaican, ready for the girl them in every situation. We are the girl them proud, they know we flow with the lyrical content that make them the flow and make the club keep jumping. Turn up the bass when you hear summertime bounce to the music. People choose it, sound up the girl and cruise it, when refuse it. Cause we are the girl them champion, got none for them like the great King Solomon. When the girls have my eyesight, sexy just time, but they ready for your art now, just give me the light and make we blaze it. The
Ladies, you ready? You ready?
it again. We be burning and concerning what nobody wanna say.
So me give it to you, so me give it to you, so me give it to our girls. 5 million and 41 this year. Baby girl, I'm a girl, I'm a girl. Shut up and say,
Well, on the way the time cold, I wanna be keeping
What's
you
your
warm.
name?
I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Oh oh. I got to the girl them broke out on the floor. From you don't wanna work with performer. From you don't wanna man we can't turn you on. Girl, make I see you when them upon ya. Can't stand for the long, nah eat no yam, no steamed fish, nah no green banana. But down in Jamaica we give it to you hot like a sauna. Well, on the way the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Oh oh, punk expose and girl, you got the chest out, but you know we a shot, cause girl, you empress out. And if it is out of me, if it is out, cause I got the remedy for make you de-stress out. Me have a flat to become me got bless out. And girl, if you want it, you have to confess out. On a life where we need set speed up, it gets to my test out. Well, on the way the time cold, I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm. Oh, like that thing, miss, kinda turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom. Oh, oh, girl, know some crazy now. This change of it and a budget and flavor show. Time to make baby now, so stop going like you are dead shady, yo. Shake that thing, miss, kinda shake that thing, miss. I'm gonna shake that thing, yeah. No, Jody and Rebecca, come on, get busy. Now shake that booty, now stop when the beat drop. Just keep swinging it, get jiggy. Get crunked up, percolate anything you want for God. Facility, but don't take busy. Want to see you get live on the rhythm of a ride. And my lyrics up about the electricity. Girl, nobody can tell you nothing, cause you don't know your destiny. Yo, shake that thing, miss. Kinda shake that thing, miss. I'm gonna shake that thing, yeah. No, Jody and Rebecca. Shake that, shake that, shake.
man say. Shout out to Donald Trump right now.
If a woman not up to date with them, for them. Can't keep up to the trend to report them. If one of them are inside, we don't support them. But they want to the chaotic way, we support them again. We're not sorry. I don't say what they got them in a every dormitory. But we have to start with them in a category. Mandatory, and we get them up and feed them up ready. Can't keep up to the trend, man, I left it. But man, not sorry, cause we done necessary. Done necessary, now y'all want to marry. One thing we have to tell them necessary. Big up for themselves, people that got them, I'm gonna up to date with them, for them. Can't keep up to the trend to report them. They want to muggle inside, we don't support them. But they want to the chaotic way, we support them again. If a woman not up to date with them, for them. Can't keep up to the trend to report them. They want to muggle inside, we don't support them. But they want to the chaotic way. Yo, keep a farm and a berry. Walking on the girl, make them feel well merry. Not the itinerary, no for them and some very. Sexy them well, one does it come very. But we have to tell them one thing goes to marry. Keep it tight, just not necessary. And make sure you sign extra artillery.
I know what you're talking about, you know about.
So maintain your eyes.
Everybody so.
Gotta
be over there.
Put alligator, we talk straight, y'all have to shape. And when them up on the road, them have to cause man headache. Oh, you're not up to date with the poor them. Can't keep up to the change, they report them. If one of them muggle inside, we not support them. But if one the big beauty queen, we support them. Again, if a woman not up to date with the poor them. Can't keep up to the change, they report them. If one of them muggle inside, we not support them. But if one the big beauty queen, we support them. Well, we not sorry. I don't think I got them in every territory. So we have
ladies, calling all ladies to the dance floor right now. And last time before we start the show. Ladies only. Ladies only.
Only for us girl in the place.
Ladies only.
They want to wind them ways.
Ladies in the shop over there with the sun right now.
She get it good from she rise.
Let me see who present. Alright, the chat fully active now. Already the president finally there. After 1 year I'm missing.
What you gonna do when there is nobody that do it better than this reggae guy? I can do this every morning, every
ladies,
night.
we're ready right now. We got 5 minutes for the ladies. Yeah, turn on the camera when we talk to the ladies them real quick. Fully active for the girl now. Watch me and the girl them now. Ladies, when you're ready, go so.
Stay down the girl. Stay down there. My time to wind up.
Again. When I don't know, say you're tuning into Vybz Friday, this your boy, girl, it's the whole squad in the building. Where the ladies, them there? What?
Your love is like tequila, intoxicated. I wanna love you, 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 wanna love you.
We went for dinner on the wall. About a spliff and we are loving of it all. When we go, you know the bedroom of it all. We start before we pop. Me back and shoulder full of figure back. Girl, like I said, we move. Nah, like me could do it until we know. We slow it down and we got very, very rude. It better when it loads. So let me express my gratitude. Sing that.
Make we start again.
Gives me fever.
Talk to the people. On the chat, on the chat, on the chat.
Baby, your love is like tequila, intoxicated. I wanna love you, 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 wanna.
We went for dinner on the wall. How about a spliff and we are loving of it all. When we go, you know the bedroom of it all. We start before we pop. Me back and shoulder full of figure back. Girl, like I said,
the mood. Me nah lie, me could do it until me nude. We slow it down and we got very, very rude. It better when it lose, so let me express my gratitude. Sing and let's stop.
Baby, your love gives me fever. You make me feel like, oh, I love you, I love you, I love you,
Ladies.
baby, your love is like tequila, intoxicating. Oh, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Turn up, baby, turn it on. And get me 20 minutes.
Check. Yo, check. I'm tucked in, man. I'm here.
It leave me in a bag.
I wasn't even supposed to be at work,
Listen.
but I got
We're
called
fully
in.
active now. We're fully active.
So,
Alright, people, you're done now. We're there. Another Friday. You can have freestyle.
Yeah.
No, you don't know, so the freestyle is from the body here and the fans there. Right? I'm going to pull up the beat to the
No, I
band.
beat up my
Again.
my
Watch check now.
freestyle
So.
over here, I know. Yeah. People in the chat,
Bandit up
bigs up on
freestyle.
yourself. It's another
requested
Friday. Yeah. You don't know, so tune in to Live Vibes Friday now. Me on a freestyle for me to the people because,
Ready?
you know,
Now
you
when
just
I do Vibes Friday.
Yeah.
If you're there, woman, you feel lazy.
Yeah.
You don't want to go to the Friday.
Yeah.
And you want to sit down for your coat, feel irate. Turn on your YouTube and go on freeway. Every Friday, you so we have blood clot. We never heard the rest of part. Where's the next part go?
that's
We
the
know
sort
them like
of.
the vibes.
Them tell them to subscribe.
Anyway,
Subscribe.
come over like the place. Yeah.
Subscribe.
Hey, Live Vibes love. Subscribe. You do for me.
I want your name. Slow motion. Alright, you see, that's why we're not geared to talk on phone. All the things are still there for the style. That's enough for style.
You excited, yo.
Subscribe now, and that we are saying.
Chat. Make sure y'all go outside of the live real
Yeah,
quick
the video,
and like the live,
video.
please.
We want,
Thanks.
we want to see the likes.
It's starting to get hot, yo. It's hot in the
Yeah.
I appreciate y'all, man.
Bring it, pussy, come put it on the old man.
Yeah.
The old hand.
All right. That's all I'm trying to make up.
No matter with it. Me know one of the other say something.
Yo, I'm a damn fast nigga Bucky. When them styrofoam something, pass them from early, cause we not playing a game this week with them.
I'm going to beat with them.
Blood clot. Alright, people, like I said, thanks for tuning in. This is your boy, Gallus J.
What?
Dr. Sour.
Tall man.
The bandit himself there, man. Walk on.
And we're there today, another episode of Vibes Friday. You don't know. We don't start here. We're there a long time and play music. You know what I mean? Everybody knows Friday go. When you just check out our work or you just want to make sure so you get all your juices, all your snacks. And that's for the people who don't go out on Friday nights. They like to camp out in the house and just de-stress after work and not in the outside hustling and buckling until later on in the evening, you know? But that's talking about people who's going out and who not going out. For the people who going out,
Check.
you don't know, so you have Jolie tonight that are east out.
Yeah.
So who-
Yeah.
Me think
Down
that,
at
you know,
Jolie.
like who live, me
Active
think
over
that.
east.
Shouts out to everybody, you know, safe travels to everybody that's out there in
Bandit,
Sobo.
fix him talkaphone, please. Yeah, everybody at travel, safe travel.
Everybody that's down in Orlando right now.
Because
partying
it's
for the
like,
Suns out,
it's
boys.
like when you don't remember who are going with the plane, them, you know.
You playing them?
Alright,
A lot of people was driving, yo. A lot of people drove down there, yo.
I bet.
Yeah, man. So shouts out to everybody who
I bet.
did that drive, man. Hope safe travels to all of y'all.
Yeah, and then tonight again, they don't know over Sidebar, Street Vibes.
Oh, yeah,
Friday
man.
Vibes with Rumbass
Rumbass
International.
International.
One
Yes,
rum
sir.
boss international.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then again, over on the east
Rochester,
side.
hold on now, Rochester Young Guns them right there now. If you not keep out some dancehall party,
Yeah, you see,
Oh, nah,
you see they
Bukhara,
dropped the list of
boss.
everything they got going on
The
in
man, them
May,
who
July,
go- Yo, we're
right?
not
Right,
seeing
yo.
them next year, you know?
hold on, yo,
We're not seeing them
while we
next
there,
year.
I'm about to tag them niggas and be like, yo, y'all need nobody to bring them the CD pouches, cause right now, nigga looking for this job.
It's not
They
just
won't
them,
go.
so that they
Shouts
dropping
out,
too.
yeah, shouts out to Rumbass International, the one them right now fully booked, and trust me,
I don't want good
you know,
What do you mean?
them whole vibes.
Great look.
Oh,
Them whole
Yeah.
vibes round here, and we hear them play normally, but me I tell you no brother. We got some after party.
Yeah, you know they always
And the man them deal with
They
yo.
always live vibes, man.
The one Rumbass say, when me say when him say custom, custom. But yeah, Show us out to Rochester Young Guns them. Show us out to the whole of the. I mean that one. 3 event that on a Friday.
Yeah, and don't forget over on East Side. Mix it up Fridays.
Mix it up Fridays. That's what it is. Thank you. Mix it up Fridays. The mango.
My boy,
yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's like three
events.
3 Friday annual Friday events.
Yeah, 3 every Friday.
You know? Don't worry about my bum book. Why you put it on for my juice?
Hey, you ever hear the Aisha song?
Oh, it's a bad
juice.
Talk to your father. We still get into that. That's the Friday night events, everybody.
People,
like
we have Carl's bag juice up here.
Alright, we're not talking about it. Friday night events. Let's run them over again. You have Downtown Jolie,
East Ave,
right in the heart of East Ave, downtown, right in the heart of downtown. And then you have Mix It Up Fridays is Fire Kid over on the east side. And what's the address for that?
DJ Max. I don't know the ad over here.
Yeah, but when you put up the fire upon them page and then you don't know you have
I remember the club
Street
name.
Vibes every Friday at the sidebar with Rum Boss International. So quick and fast, shout out to our sponsors real quick. We want to give a shout out to DK Catering, One Love Window Cleaning. What else we got, Doctor?
Oh, always, man. All in Podcast Network, man.
Yeah, just like that.
Now we have God himself.
Bad. The bad
You see when he jump?
Me tell you know why. I don't know why. We're not give no anything from early for drink, you know.
Our beans blow up.
You know? So, I feel for this.
The chat fully active! That me a talk.
Hey,
yeah. So like we said, people, we're there and today for the show.
Yo.
Hey, no boy can't.
Yo, chill out.
No, I never.
We have an intro, we have the proper
Big shouts out to the chat, yo.
Yeah, the chat fully active. Shout out to everyone in the chat.
No, I'm clapping. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, everybody in the chat fully active. I will say share the live. Let me check if everybody like it. Please like the live. Please, if you're in the chat, get out the chat and like the actual video.
The actual live.
So like we said, today we're there. You don't know, it's been a long work week. But before we get into our work week, we got to do our toast and check in. But before we did that, our topic today, we just going to talk about, it's guy talk. So one of my younger brothers called me
so sorry to cut you off, but I've been at seat in a Friday.
One of my younger brothers called me earlier in the week and we was having a serious conversation. So I figured I want to kind of share it with y'all and just to see y'all take on it and all that stuff. But before we get into that, how was y'all week? Oh, toast first. Toast to the weekend, sorry. Cups up. Cups up. Everybody in the chat, cups up.
Y'all know the routine.
Woo.
And, all right, so we're here last week.
Make sure I tell you nothing for you first.
Here again this week. What the hell?
Hey, yo, we here last week.
Hello, give me back.
We take our shit this week.
Me not do no toast.
Time out. What the hell? What the bumble?
What the bumble clot?
Oh, I had the darkest on. I didn't see him.
Yeah. Put
I had the shades on. My bad. I ain't even noticed.
Yo,
chat.
Grab a shot
glass on
this
see?
please.
Yeah, put on your cup in there.
Oh God, this nigga said, what the bumble?
What the bumble clot?
People don't want to drink no white liquor.
It sound like
it's a little shot cups in there.
Yo, bring me one big cup, bro. Come here, go chase you with the drinks.
You man sound like a kid.
Calm down, like you can drink.
Oh.
You see you're going to start skin for your teeth like a goat after you're done. Hey, yo.
I'll give you laugh and give you the
While we wait on the cup, big shouts out to the plug, man. I'm about to pop this open after this.
Yeah, pop that right now while you're bringing the cup. Tell them what it is while he gets
So, I got this from one of my peoples, man. I can't disclose the information, man, but this is this gonna take y'all back to Jamaica. I feel like right here.
When you described it, that's what came to mind. I'm like,
so this.
Right, that's
at first, I thought it was liquor.
Yeah, I definitely got asked if it was liquor. Shouts out to Grassroots, man.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, pop that.
I'll take half a shot of that shit, actually.
Shouts out to them for the package.
Everybody in the chat that's just tuning into the live, we do ask you to please like the actual video, share with a friend, drop a comment.
Shit.
If you just tuning in, drop a comment, let us know you're here. Ooh.
It's a J. Bumbo.
What the hell?
What the bumbo clot?
What the bumbo clot? Yeah.
That's a good Friday right there.
Yeah, this is live vibes, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's it though?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
I'm gonna pass that around the shop. Big shouts out to Grassroots, man.
Yeah.
Showing the love.
The bumbo.
Yeah, this smell like some real lemony shit.
It's called Titan Express.
Titan Express.
You know?
Like Teen Titan.
Yo, this remind me of
36.5 THC level grams, not grams, 5%.
Alright.
This remind me of that gas.
The mic.
No.
This remind me of that gas.
Bucky.
What?
Yeah.
Man, people smoke. Man, show that shit, man. The fuck? We smoke
Yeah, we in a
every
legal
night.
state, yo.
We can't
We in a legal state, y'all.
Yeah, we
Let y'all
good,
know.
brother. We shall show that.
We good. So,
We
man,
good,
shouts out to
Majid.
Grassroots, man.
How long did I take if we kill?
Me?
1 day.
Oh, yeah, this is a day. But I mean, I'm about to,
Don't follow me in the chat, man.
I'm gonna let all of y'all try and bud and everything. I'm gonna let all of y'all
Isn't
break
it?
off a piece of butter here and try a piece
Yo,
of
We
it, man.
can't
Fix
show
the
that on
talk
YouTube,
up
by the way.
No,
So,
on this.
Just so yeah.
We gonna all see what this is about.
We are all adults here. What wanna ask me?
Alright, so back to the toast.
Yeah, I'll take my half a shot. I ain't gonna lie.
What's up? You already got your drink?
Yeah.
No.
What the fuck, man?
No, you gotta take at least a half, bro. Me not
give
too
me
really
the
drinking
fruit
either,
juice.
so you have to do half.
I'm even gonna go crazy for you, man. I ain't going crazy, man. I got you,
No,
man.
we can't dilute it with the juice, man, because what the fuck?
What the hell?
Remember buck juice.
What the hell, Ente?
Yeah, where you at?
Alright, good. That good.
What the
Alright,
hell?
cups up, everybody in the chat. Cups up. Let's get this on.
Yo, beg you when I cook them.
What the hell, Keller?
Yo, beg you when I cook them. I don't get mine.
So we say we was,
So now wait for me.
bro, we was here the whole blood clot.
I've been asking y'all niggas the whole time for a
About
cook.
10 times my father.
What the hell you got to
So
grind
why you ask that you help him?
Trying to help me, I help him right now. Sure.
Hey, man.
Right, I'm doing
Are
them.
we doing shots?
Yes.
Holy fuck.
Let's say on a week to this.
I have.
Guys,
Oh, so you're not shut the damn neck up? You
I
just,
already got liquor in there.
oh, you just drink, you just sipping. You just sipping. Oh, I see what you're saying. Nah, you know, I ain't anything. Me I drink, so when I want to say me I cheat, and that's what me do a half. Nah, that's good enough.
Yo, me can't bother with the drinking business.
Bro, you are close to home, bro. You live around the corner.
Literally,
Shut up.
you not far from your crib at all.
Like,
man.
Hey, yo.
he drove here, but he don't got. He could park his car
He
and
coulda
come back
walked
for it
here.
tomorrow.
He could have walked here.
Shit. But
We was here last week.
We here again this week.
And for that, we thank the man that resurrected on this weekend. So they say.
He has risen.
But we do
Once
believe in a
more.
higher power, but we don't know when
yo,
we
shouts
follow
out
that.
to
But
Live.
yeah, shouts out to everybody
Life,
celebrating
yeah,
Easter
living
Sunday.
Yeah.
Or
And
Easter
420.
holiday.
And 420
Oh, that's
on
Sunday.
man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's
And by the way, we bum rushing on Sunday. I'm letting y'all know right now. What's up?
you
Y'all pulling
bum
up on
rushing?
Sunday with me?
What you bum rushing?
They show Gallus and the Baddies.
Oh.
Let's see how the ladies.
Man, I ain't asking no
We
questions. I'll
should
be
talk
here.
about that. I talked to him about that a little bit. I'm like, yo, what's up? But I thought, you know, it gotta be something interesting. We gotta crash some crazy like. Watch this. Hold on. Let me talk.
Smoking this bitch out.
Nah.
I'm smoking this bitch out.
We gotta crash this show. But I'm with you on that. But it gotta be on someone they get catered. Like these niggas get catered.
Oh, I know.
Not these niggas. This nigga get catered. Shouts out to the baddies.
Shouts out to
this because we wanna forget feeding and wanna forget them things.
Wonder Boy Friday
But
night catered.
this nigga, you're right. Hold on, let me get to that. This
A long
nigga
time you
get
ask him, you know?
catered like once a month. I mean, hear this from good
Yeah, the
source.
man a bad man.
Straight from the
Man
you
want
know?
me treat them like how me
Sponsor
treat woman.
itself.
You know the man
So,
a complain just so
yeah.
come in and treat him like how me treat the woman them. Could keep complaining.
No.
Yeah, what?
As
Chat.
a CEO,
Chat.
you need to equalize the budget when it comes out to the company.
Equal opportunity. Equal
Yeah. You know,
Yeah.
how that we are defend.
Not even once a month.
You mess it.
That's crazy.
Nah,
I'm
we don't make
the
bucket
chat,
shop.
no, the chat, no, bro. The chat, no.
Yeah, man,
But to
Dr.
your,
Sour.
hold on. Let me finish real quick. I ain't gonna take too long.
Yeah, right.
But no.
Time.
It's 9:50. Real quick. 5 minutes tops. Boom.
Nigga, that is a whole song and a half. So fuck.
No,
that's
that's
2 songs.
The fuck, what?
Yo,
Question.
come on. 5 minutes tops is
Question.
crazy. Go ahead, man.
How
Go
long,
ahead.
how long live vibes are going?
Live vibes. No,
Yeah,
we're
right.
4 years.
Over
4?
2 years now.
Going on 3 years.
3 years.
No, we like 2 years in, bro. I don't know what you're
This
talking
is
about.
This
this
year's
is
gonna
my
be 3
second
years.
and
I only been
final.
here for 2 years.
This is my
but
second
alright.
and final question. When Live Vibes ever get a catering pancake and this?
We did. We did.
But I try to get
He
people
got the
that
fried
try to shut
oxtails,
me
the
up.
back and
No,
cheese.
wait for that,
Yeah.
no. And also, when we just start up, me never make sure I say pizza and wings and all them shit.
Pizza and wings there. Friday
Alright.
daytime, a pizza and wings.
Yeah, nigga,
serving
that's
there.
what you eat on Friday. What the fuck you mean?
Me say Sunday.
Yo,
Why would I bring food for you? Have sense?
yo,
Yo.
you hear me out there?
Nah.
Yo, Dr. Sal.
Back to what I was saying.
No, real quick. Look, I need to finish my point.
I will be here
I need to
on Friday,
finish
on
my
Sunday,
point.
yo.
It's interesting.
Oh my god.
This nigga
fuck,
got.
guys?
Hey, Dr. Sarah, have you ever had ackee and saltfish
Yes.
on a what call it again?
Oh, a waffle?
A waffle.
Oh, that's different.
Shaped like a
that-
motherfucking like a weed leaf or something. I think
That's
it was
some
out what it
bougie
shaped
shit.
like.
Yes.
Brother,
It was
have you ever had a waffle, right? Listen to me. Have you ever had a waffle crispy and soft at the same time?
Yeah, I had a good waffle before. Yeah.
D&K Catering.
DK, shouts out to DK.
Yeah, you don't know, sorry, but
So, you know what I'm saying?
Y'all should cater
That's the type of service the bodies them and the gal and
you
the
gotta
so-called
but
Johnnies
we
get.
only get
Galleys
catered on
But-
first Sundays because that's our
You know
first
what?
Sunday. So now we can see
To
like
get to my
every Sunday.
point, and
No
I'm
point
still, I got
is
3 minutes left. Dr. Sal, we gotta crash it, and I'm agreeing with you. I'm agreeing with you. But it has to be whenever I get some
When the
crazy,
food that
some
is
crazy,
first
either some crazy topic or whenever I cook.
Okay.
You know what
I
I'm
respect
saying?
that.
Yeah.
I'll
'Cause
put
you
it
know
up
me
for
love the
Sunday.
buck.
Alright.
I'll let
I'm
you.
ready to ask some questions.
I'll
I'm
give
not
you
even
that.
worried about the food.
Yeah.
I'm ready to ask some questions. I'm ready to get in the bugger. You know what I'm saying?
Bucky, why are you talking?
Yeah.
How was your week? Let's get
My
this out of the
week?
way
Alright.
because
Yeah,
this
yeah,
you
yeah.
just about to kill us right now. And
I thought y'all needed me to stop. I'm good.
Alright, quick, tell me, how was your week?
We on this one.
No, you good. You can take
Yo,
it.
shouts out to the chat.
Bucky week was lit. He went to work. My boy made mad bread this week. He said he found out a new hustle at work, collecting some other shit, but we ain't gonna talk about that. But yeah, my boy learned how to wheelie a 4-wheeler today. So yeah, it was a good week.
Oh, y'all talking about me?
Yeah,
Oh.
it was a good week.
Oh, I did.
That's what's up.
I did, man. Yo.
Man,
I'm
my
so
week was good.
high right now. I didn't even see y'all talking about me.
I didn't
Damn.
even see that we was talking.
Y'all ain't talking about me in front of my face.
All right, Dr. The top man.
No, y'all talk about me behind my back in
your
front of my
glass,
face.
then too dark.
Yeah, the glass
And
and
the same
dog.
thing we talked about
Yeah.
last week, behind and front.
White.
Yes.
White.
Why?
Fuck and
Me
fuck.
and you never talk about
Fuck
that.
and fit.
Me and you never talk about that. Make y'all talk about that then. Me and you never talk about that.
Boy. Top boy, top buck.
No, me and you never talk about that.
I'm true, you know, what's up?
What? What we do? What we do? Wait. What we get this for? What we get this for?
The dirty blood clot.
Alright.
Moving forward.
Y'all got that. Cause I'm like,
That's how was your week, bro?
Alright, check this out. Do you, man?
It's cool, man. I went to the I took my son to the museum. We went to see they had a Lego exhibit in there.
I know y'all was in that.
Yeah, bro. They was building some crazy shit.
Quick for the dad then. Hey, don't do that. You're not dad.
Oh, sorry.
No man, I found out something.
You little thick
But nah, it's spring break, so you know they out of school. So I mean,
Man,
it's been not all week, but
How long y'all was in there for?
like
we was there for yeah, what? You was there? Yeah, we was there for like a good 2-3 hours, yo. We went to the Science Museum, and then we went to the Strom Museum. Science Museum get boring after a minute, yo, especially for a kid. After he saw the Lego shit, he was like, all right, what's next?
Oh, I got
I was like, man, it's the Native Americans in the people
you
that
had to be
killed
the
in
tour guide.
Rochester.
Yo, so I ain't never been to the Strong Museum for when it's actually what it's for. So y'all don't have tour guides in that bitch? Y'all just wander around?
You can get tour guides. They got people that, yo, you know what's crazy? My first job I ever had was at the Science Museum, and I was one of them people.
Oh.
I was like 15, 16.
And y'all walk around and not sure.
Yep, just show people.
So they had to train you for that, or you just had to read whatever's on the thing?
Nah, you had to get trained for it, but we only walked around so what I was in at that age was this thing called Youth Corps. And it was just us taking around like people in schools, like the little kids in schools. And we took to like the exhibits, like the dinosaur shits and all of that shit. We had to know all of the history shit. We have to know all of that.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Cause me not tell no go tell no like about no dinosaur. Well.
Where you go? In the suburbs or the city?
I grew up in the city. I grew up on the west side, Arnett Woodbine, right down the street.
Oh, you grew up on Arnett?
Yeah, right on the corner, Arnett Woodbine, diagonal to the police store. Yeah.
Just the block.
Alright, so
Yeah.
my week was smooth. I went to work. Yeah, that's about it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, y'all already talked about my week. I guess I was actually at my headphone in, but yep.
What you gonna say?
We could smoke.
Me never accident.
Yeah.
We jumped the train
My
already.
week was good.
Oh, now y'all want to answer. How many times I asked y'all?
Skip me.
I asked you twice, nigga.
If you don't answer, you don't answer. No, listen.
Why?
Can I lick you?
It's gonna be one of them days.
Yo,
You look like I want to mad there for 2 months. God damn.
You nasty bumble.
But
Moving forward.
my week was
Moving
good,
forward.
you know. Same as usual, work, come home, sleep.
I feel like we already did this, but
Tonight, tonight was one of the best evenings of, you know, ride we skate some motorcycle, you know, have a little fun in the afternoon there.
Yo, the playback in my ear is crazy, bro. Pause. Yo. You know what? Let me stop listening to this song.
Careful.
Careful.
You know what?
Alright, so
Careful.
So like we said, people,
You know what?
to the episode of Guy Talk.
Yeah.
And one of my little brothers hit me up in the week. And he always hit me up randomly and we have like deep conversations about stuff we go through as men and stuff. And one thing he brought up to me was why are the most women's are the way they are now? How did it get so far with them doing all the crazy extra shit that they're doing?
Like what?
Like for, you know, like the social media stuff, the outgoing partying, just the stuff we accept from them as men that we shouldn't. You know what I mean? And we got to the point in the conversation where we was like, the reason why it's like that is because of us as men not controlling our lust. And once we let our lust overpower us, we allow them to let mad shit slide. Like, once you horny, sometime, bro, you don't see with a clear eye. You just let mad shit slide when, as a man, when you stand on business. You know what I mean? And if all of us, let's say we're the only men in the world, right? And we all operate from the same code. Let's say we not talking to no bitch unless they shower twice a day. And the one nigga that accept that bitch that shower once, she gonna be like, well, he accepted it. And just because whatever state you in that night, you gonna let it slide. You know what I mean? And then it just trained from there. So
maybe more than one nigga that I accepted though too.
But that's just what I'm saying.
Trying to do something.
Exactly, but it started with the one for her to feel comfortable with continuing certain behavior.
I don't think
you know what I mean?
Yeah, I think that
most women really don't. Like these
shower twice a day.
No, that's an example. That's that's just an example.
Hypothetical.
Hypothetical. It's an example.
So.
But, for example, like I said, the example my brother brought up too was like you meet a girl in a club looking sexy in a short dress and all that shit. You holler at her, you bagged her and shit. So now a couple months, y'all chilling. A couple months past, she ready to go back out with her friends again. She wearing the same shit, and you like what's up with that? I'm not comfortable with you. You know what I mean?
Nah, that's on you.
You was singled in, but her normally when you say shit like that, their rebuttal is you met me like this. So what's the problem now?
That's real though too.
Yeah, but real is. You as a man wanting a wife, you don't want your wife like that.
You know what? You can't go meet a wife
they gonna call you insecure too.
Make that conversation like you are girl, I'm your man.
No, but that's what I'm saying. Get to the point where you can say that to her, and that's what her rebuttal is.
Their favorite line is, "Oh, you don't trust me."
I ain't like how she adjust.
Talk no chat. This is a conversation for everybody, you know.
With her and come to a disagreement. You know what I mean? Because if you don't do that.
Then she's gonna be able to do whatever. You really can't say anything if you don't establish that.
Right.
So I feel like the way that like women, a lot of the times be the way that they are now. Like I guess in the sense that y'all mean, like they more outgoing, they on social media and everything.
The assertiveness and the
and
how behavior.
how people be like women act like men nowadays. That type of that's what you. If I'm assuming that's what you. That's the type of what you mean. So I think that comes a lot from social media and the boom of social media and everything, where it's social media made some of the corniest and the weakest niggas get females. People that never would have ever really had that type of have this airtime with some of these women. Get this type of airtime with these women now. Now hold on. Now let me.
No, I'm not cutting you. I'm just I'm reiterating what we're trying to do. So people, the conversation is about how us men should like uphold our standards. So and that trickling into fixing the women for who we want. Give us a better pool to pick from.
Okay. All right. So first I'm gonna address why I feel like the women are the way they are now.
Yeah, that's it. Social media.
So I feel like it is social media and everything. It gave these people that didn't really have to before. Nowadays we can look at reels and YouTube and everything and tell the people that got money. The people that's getting money, the people that's easily gonna be able to get females, and not just us as men looking at these people seeing them getting money, but these females looking at them and seeing them getting money. So it could be some of the corniest dudes that's getting some of the top females, that's getting some bad females and everything, and that's trickled down into just normal life where these same type of people that didn't really get noticed before are getting noticed now, and so that it's allowing these people that didn't really have those high standards for women, that just got whatever standards that's getting these women now. It's like shit. Well. If I can get them now, so the women's like shit, I can do whatever and still get these top dudes now too and everything. And I feel like that's kind of how it got to the point to where it is now. Like you gotta think about the development of like how when City Girls came out, they was talking about scamming niggas and everything, doing all types of bullshit to get niggas, and they pop. City Girls was one of the
and created a whole generation of
it literally created a whole generation of them, a whole new generation of them, and. That's the type of stuff that became acceptable. And once again, we accepted those types of things. We started being like, yeah, shit. I mean, I can spend a few dollars. You know what I'm saying? Like, shit. I mean, it's fucking OnlyFans, bro. OnlyFans. Shouts out to anybody. I always know I love the strippers, all of that shit. Shouts out to all of that, yo. But, I mean, OnlyFans is right there is a prime example. It's people spending money just to see these bad females do whatever.
That we saw in high school.
Exactly.
Crazy,
I mean, and all of them is somebody that somebody's seen in high school, no matter where they live at. You know what I'm saying? So it's all of those types of things that kind of play a part. And we as men, it's gonna be hard for us. It would have to be something where I feel like it'd be generational for everybody to have to change that. Like we gotta stop for us to stop accepting some of those things. It's a difficult task. It's a difficult task. Yo.
What do you mean for us? Say that.
So you were saying like, how can we as men kind of make that change that? Yeah. What changes can we do? What can we do to change that?
No, but that's just what the conclusion we came to in the conversation was. It stemmed back to us controlling our urges and our lust and thinking with a clear mind. You know what I mean? And once you could step in front of that and like push that out the way, then have to make the choices with these women and in certain situations. And then it might seem like you took a L in certain situations, but in the long run
it was better for you. It was a better situation.
Look back and you're like, I bet. You know what I mean? But like I said, the conclusion we got to after having this long talk, it was for us as men to like get back to like a unit and just set a standard for ourselves to attract a certain type of women. You know what I mean? So not like I would say for layman's example like a fraternity, but I hate using that word because I'm not with that Greek shit. But you know what I mean?
No, I know exactly.
Yeah, type of vibe.
That makes sense. No, that makes sense.
And same for women too.
Say, and that was you have to do the same.
Because you gotta have the women that turn the, like you said, the lame niggas down. You gotta stand still.
I don't give a fuck how much money you got. Nah.
I don't care how many times that nigga asks. Don't take him on that date. Because if it's not for you, it's not for you.
I know a lot of y'all women got niggas that's in your inbox every day that you would never reply to. And then one day, nigga might catch you.
Man.
What y'all boys think, man?
Bucky, they want to hear your point of view.
Boy, I don't really understand the question still. No. But I kind of answer you because when it be what you say.
You gotta re-explain the question to him.
What I said to that is, you have to pick your poison. Because I wouldn't go to a strip club and try to look at a wife. That type. So it's like, you know what I mean? You me feel say, yo, as a man, we just understand, say, yo,
All right, so
Go to the
I don't
club and
want to go on. I don't want to give you the next 5 minutes. So.
yeah, people in the chat, what's y'all take on what we just said? How y'all feel about that? Because I feel like I said, it's a two-way street with the respect. Y'all should have y'all standards that y'all keep. So for men, but for as far as when men and women decide to go together, it's levels that changes shit that they should understand in a record. Like if y'all dating and y'all live in separate houses, shit different. Y'all living together, shit different. Y'all engaged, married, or have kids, shit different. You know what I mean? So with all of that, when all those things come into play, y'all gotta just be mindful and pay attention to it, and just know how the easiest way to make this. All we gotta do, figure out what make everybody happy.
That's it.
And not be selfish.
Would any of y'all like date a woman that like to dress sexy or like just love herself?
The question,
but that don't mean she poor, you know. She just
so
love
the question,
and show cleavage and.
So the question was, let me repeat the question just in case they hear it. So the question was, would any of us on set date a girl that liked to dress appealing because she loves herself? No. For me, no.
No, I have before.
No.
I have before. And and the reason why see.
All right, Miss Juicy, you're feeling mids.
Why not though?
Why not?
Yeah.
Me can't do it.
Me can't do that.
Me can't, like, me know, I know why women dress like that. So if you wanna dress like that, that mean me interpret that as like
why
yes,
everybody has said
it's for to get at your attention. If you showing it, that mean you want us to look, guy or girl. I mean that's it. But from you do that, I mean silly. That means to my attention not enough. If you hold on till we reach a yard, so it's all good. Me good. Me no want to.
What if
me and you can't par, but me not give no title with me.
What if Shelly like body suit, but it cover up, but her body pretty.
Her shape is
Lululemon.
Me don't want my woman to show no camel toe. Body can't fat. You can't hide fat body, but you have to in jeans or well cover up somehow.
Yeah. But if you cock up on
cleavage have to cover. Me if I'm my woman, I'm my woman. But if we are par, do what you want.
Man, I feel like it's. I don't have a problem with other people looking at my girl as long as my girl is looking at other people.
You must see one. I must see Ray Charles again.
Watch that pussy.
If that woman dressed like that, she'll look for who look for her.
Chat, hold on, you got something in the chat.
But along the way, you have to understand she might change. And if there is no change, that just means say, yo, you can't wife that.
I'm say you can't go a club go look a wife. You know? I'm say not to send a wife to the club, but as a for the standards of jail.
You can't find a one.
I'm just being blunt, but I'm just saying for the standards of jail, look for a film argument. You can't go with film scenario. You can't go club and I expect. You see what I'm saying? Woman dress a certain way in a club. With her friend name or you meet her, so that's something that she do. And you do too.
When she was single. She was single.
Okay.
Y'all never go.
That's her thing.
Y'all never went out one weekend and like meet somebody like she don't club every 6 months, every 3 months.
She don't even be out like that.
Book out at one time.
Right.
Like whoa.
Yeah.
Like I didn't want to like spend more time and I get to know her. Like you never book a girl like that yet?
That's your ask?
You man!
I can't be an ask, I'm a married man.
Every time you be asked, you come to about married thing, I'm just ring bare finger.
I like that this man not talk about. Yeah.
But get what you're saying, no, brother.
Yeah.
But
man,
even then, bro, that's something that she do. That's like
you're
that's
careless.
What do you mean?
So you don't accept it?
No, but what me I say, you know.
You know.
Yeah, what are
But
you
kind
saying?
of, but you know, when me a chat for sure, like, alright. You meet a woman at the club, brother. You meet a woman at the club, right?
Mm-hmm.
You go there for party, you go there for, you know what I'm saying? I'm saying, that's something that you do, or that's something that she do. Maybe on a regular, maybe not on a regular. You know you probably there to get somebody for sure. You know what I'm saying? But that's a one club at one night time. I'm not going to club and expect no. You know what I'm saying?
No,
make sure so no, you know what I mean?
You disagree.
But
No, because just like being said,
meet anybody.
just like being said, you got this
Yeah.
girl that will come out once
But-
a month, every 2 months. Then
Right.
when you meet
It
her,
might have been the
that's
one
not
time that
just
she,
no
and
one
she
night
never
stand.
go out. She
And
don't even
she's
go out
single,
like that.
yeah.
And she might have met you that one time that she was out. And she don't even be out like that.
Exactly.
Chat if me wrong.
Cause you know the
I
girl.
know,
is
say,
gonna
yeah,
go
me
to
nah
meet
say the church girl them no brawl into, you know.
you. I don't even know how this got here.
But I'm just saying. Yeah.
But
Yeah.
alright, ladies in the chat right now.
So the chat talking. Look at the chat. The chat
Yeah,
saying they giving answers.
Bucky, no.
Just a minute like
no.
that, man.
And ladies in the chat,
But you don't want them answer the question.
what are some standards you have for a guy that you're dating if they're going out? Because I don't think I ever heard this, their point of view on this before. Because what can they tell us if we're going out other than be back at this time?
Yo, you ain't never have a female be like, feel some type of way? Like when you about to go out and she be like, oh, where you going? What you got on? Where you going? It's like she know you about to go do something.
Mm-hmm.
That's when she feeling some type of way about how you looking and everything. Because she know you looking good. So she looking at you like, oh.
The house.
Yeah. You get a fresh edge up or some shit, and they looking at you all crazy. Where you was going?
Me not look like no profile.
Where you thought you was? Where you going tonight? Like, damn, yo. You got your good cologne on or some shit, yo. She like, oh, you got play.
But I
But I feel like that's when the woman is feeling some type of way. When she asks me that type of shit, that's her version of it. Like, they're like,
nigga. But you see how ours is more direct and like, nah, we not with that.
I mean, it goes to women, the difference between women and men, though, too.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like that's what I play a part in the difference between women and men. Men are going to be more direct about it.
Mm-hmm.
Women going to be on some old like, oh, you think you about to just go out? You know what? We should go out tonight. Now it's a we thing. Bitch, you ain't even shower. Yeah. Now you want to go. Now I got to wait for you?
Meet me there.
Yeah, what?
And why are you trying to meet me there?
I was going with my boys anyways. Dang, yo. But nah, it be.
Shit, I'll tell her to meet me there and go somewhere else. I don't give a fuck.
Look, see, Miss Josie said we both gonna be outside tonight. Exactly, yo. Women be knowing, yo. Women be knowing. But women be having their own way of feeling some type of way. I feel like you said, men are more direct.
No, but
it's
not. It's alright. So, like I said, it's not about a feeling, you know. It's like I said, if we're using how they dress, for example, if we use, let's say we use that, and she go and we're like, all right, bet. I don't like that. That's too short. That's showing too much.
You do feel.
No, wait, no. We don't like it.
Feel insecure.
I don't feel. But when you tell them that, remember, say yeah, that's the standards for you, which you're comfortable with. So we're versus them when they're saying it, they're not saying it like that. Like you just said, they're. Oh, you putting on your good cologne.
Exactly.
But that's not saying much, which is why niggas' reaction to that be like, man, what the fuck you being annoying for? Like, or just get out the house. You know what I mean? Versus us, it turned into.
And women be on the same type of time.
But
that's what I'm saying. It's their version of it.
Watch this now. But you know how man like to just be direct. We don't. This is why they say. Which is why women say men are slow because they don't know how to catch hints because we don't pay attention to bullshit. You just gotta tell us straight, and then we're like, okay, we listen.
That makes sense.
But when they could be saying that, mind you, they seen us get dressed. We just came home, like you said, fresh haircut. We getting dressed, putting on shit. We just know we about to hang out with the boys or go outside to turn up or get bitches, whatever the fuck. We just getting ready to go do it. That's what we focus on.
You just say get bitches.
Whatever the fuck. We have different types of... No, I'm saying... But can't say that.
You making it look like that's to impress you.
No, but they're not wrong. Those are all the things that could happen.
Okay, yeah.
Those are all the reasons why niggas get dressed. I'm just listing them out. I'm keeping it real.
That's not true, I guess.
So when a nigga getting dressed to go out to do whatever... And he in the mirror, he just focused on, he really thinking about all the shit that's about to take place. Because, we always thinking ahead and shit. So, when he do that, and the girl I talk to him, he just thinking she just talking shit. You know what I mean? We not taking that shit until she directly say you're not. If she directly say you're not going out or you're not leaving until you tell me what's going. You know what I mean? Until that comes into play, that's how I could match it up with how we would react if they're dressing some type of way. But when they're not saying those specific things, to us it's just like, all right, man, I'm about to be out. You doing too much right now. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. So that's why I say they don't. What do we do for make them?
You got some women in the chat that's give us some.
Oh, let me see. He said, I want to ask you all a question. Why your friends get more attention than a woman? Wait, why your friends get more attention? What?
Yeah, Sita.
Why your friends get more attention than a woman? I don't understand what that means.
So she try to say, why you power the man friend them more than your woman?
That wasn't even what we was talking about.
Yeah, what?
No, she's asking that question. She feel like say, yo, the average man power his male friends them more than him woman. She asked a female outside in our chat.
Alright, so
why on the virgin them get more attention than the woman them?
That's just a feeling, cause
my man friend may get more attention than my woman friend.
Yeah, that's but
exactly. But if a woman feels so,
no, but that's what they feel like.
Okay.
Because remember, I know if he's a man who live with a woman, right?
Yeah.
That's just subconsciously. It's not to a woman. If we don't do things, we don't know with each other. But with a nigga, if we live together damn near, I'm spending my whole fucking life with you. So the time when I do step out, that you know what I mean. But to the ladies, if we're not doing all the fun things that you're doing with your friends, it's not counting as time together.
Now I think what the chat was saying was somebody in there was saying like as long as you make it home, that's the only expectation that they have for you. Don't
okay,
which I feel like is a good thing. Which it go back to what we said too. What somebody else was saying was like you gotta have those conversations with your person. Yeah. If we live together, it's definitely you gotta come home. That go both ways, yo. Like you gotta like if we live together, she better make it home.
Just ask a typical question. What you call it?
Hypothetical question.
Say the word.
Bomba! You get in trouble already. No, careful.
No, I'm careful.
You live with a woman, and she not come home.
That's an issue. That's an issue. Me, oh man.
You call her, she not answer, and she not call you, and make it know.
In my mind, automatically she out, she fucking somebody.
What you gonna do? Like, that's a
good question, yo. That's a good question, yo. We gonna have that conversation, but I think it's over, man. Me personally, I can't trust you after that. I'm a person that relies solely on trust. If once that trust broken, I'm always, no matter what you do, even every time you go out after that, every time she go out after that, it's on my mind. I'm like, nah, man.
What if you do it?
Bro,
you love her, but you don't do it, but you don't know why you do it. Okay, no more time I do things I don't know why you do it.
Love the chat.
I'm a man, yo. But I mean, like, I know what I'm doing. If I'm not coming home, if I'm not answering my phone, I'm not coming home. I know what I'm doing.
But she change it back on why. Give up on
Me no fuck around,
man. That's a good one, yo. I don't know, bro.
Woman. You don't know.
I feel like we would need a woman here for that, yo. For that one.
Oh, yeah.
The
chat, man.
Yeah,
the chat. What y'all?
Really,
No, the females in the chat. Ask the chat. Load the chat alone. Ask the chat. What question? I'm sorry. I was laughing. But I love the chat. Ask the question again. Because females in the chat right now ready for answer. Go on again.
No, them said it. I think one of them answered already.
You laugh, you ugly fuck. This nigga.
So, ask the question.
Oh, I chat away for you know.
Cause me say if she don't come home in time by the time she come back the next morning, me going back to my mother yard.
It's a job, yo. The question was.
Me a go back to my mother yard. Anyone she don't come home, me a go back to my mother yard.
Okay, the question is and I'm gonna upgrade the question too, yo. The question is, you and your girl live together. She go out and she never go out. This is my upgrade to her right now. She don't ever go out. She don't even be out like that. She one of the ones that go out once every 6 months or once a year. She one of them ones. She don't go out like that at all. Her and her homegirls go out. She don't come home. She don't answer the phone, nothing. But you, as a man, you be out every now and again. You go out way more than she do. You may not go out a lot.
Yeah.
But you go out more than she does.
And come home.
But it's a night that you ain't do that. How do you feel when she do it compared to how you do it?
And don't come home. But she don't come home.
She not answering your phone calls. Your shit go to voicemail.
Brother, I fuck, she a fuck.
Yeah, me already have a thing, dog. Yeah, me have a thing, dog.
If she don't if the hospital will call me or police, I fuck, she a fuck.
So, see what you know? So me is a man, me no run for call grannies and mothers. Yeah, me close with my mother-in-law them.
Yo!
You see me and say? Yeah, man, me make them call them, man.
That location gotta be on 24/7.
Me don't know about the location thing.
Yeah, that's
me don't know about the location.
Man, that location gotta be on.
That's different.
Yo, that's wild.
That's different.
No, me
a
don't want
phone call is enough, bro.
Location
That
is
location
I don't need
gotta
that.
be on 24/7. If it's not on, it's a problem.
Police!
Alright.
I'm good on that
No,
one.
Make your man chat, make your man fit, man.
Yeah, I ain't mad at you, bro.
I gotta know her workplace,
Yeah,
her mom's house,
yeah,
No.
the gym,
yeah.
the club that she going to.
Yeah.
And when she get to the
Her
club,
favorite
she gotta show
restaurant.
me her section or whatever. Every 10 minutes, every 20 minutes. Yeah.
Boy,
Nigga,
Alright.
my girl, if I had the shorty in
Yeah.
the club or whatever,
Yeah.
my shorty too genuine for me to not check up on her every
Yeah, long boy, no.
every hour, every half an hour. Boy, my shorty is too genuine.
You
Huh?
gotta give her space though, bro.
Space? Yeah, I'll give her space.
I really
But
watch
not
your
that
things,
much
you know.
space.
I check her.
No, not tracking her. I'm just
Location.
reeling her in a little bit.
Bro,
you know?
Location is crazy.
tracking her, yo.
Location,
That's
I location
literally
I check right
tracking
now.
her.
I location I check
Where
right
is
now.
my
Put on the
phone?
phone.
Nah, check.
Y'all get chicken location.
I check him, I go check him.
I can't.
They gonna put the ear tag in our bag.
No, that's not on business. Not tell you this time, man. Make him go and pay till he come back, come tell you. Make him learn the hard way. Kind of like listen to you. Remember a long time we are teaching him.
Nah, this one.
But you can go and parody him for them.
That's a location to blood clot. I would never do that. The only time I look for location
Yeah.
on our last phone.
Oh.
You see me?
Boy.
Yeah.
I'm just
That shit sound delusional.
Yeah.
Just, but if you go back for the core question, if you don't come home like me, say me I leave.
That's it. I feel you on that.
Yeah, we can take a break.
The maximum we do.
Me I leave till I can come up with a police surveillance at all the street dash cams.
See,
that's the same thing as what I'm saying.
You bum
I
boy.
mean, yeah,
It's the
yeah.
same-
No,
but
yeah.
me not for like,
Yeah, no.
show me that.
Yeah, we do after
You
the
taking
phone.
it to the, you taking it to the law though.
Suppose she
Yeah,
not
yeah, take that 2 liter.
No. Alright.
Suppose she go with her, she go
Yeah.
with her friend them and them get robbed.
Right.
Them carry everything, phone everything they take away. They may not go far than where they're supposed to go. Hours away. It's a Buffalo. Get stuck out there. I mean, it must be a way for find a way for call.
Exactly. A
If
lot
you
of
with your
people
friends,
around you.
If you with your friends, it's gonna be a way.
Call, you know.
You better find me on Facebook, Instagram, through your friend page or something, and contact me.
Like
Yeah.
I said, the law or a hospital officer. Sir,
Me have a body feel.
whoa.
But you kill her?
No, I say fight either them fight or
Yeah,
something.
call them that.
Never-
No,
But
that.
it's something,
No, it's something,
just
either something.
happen.
I'm saying either something
Like,
good
yeah.
happen or something bad happen.
Something that happen.
Something I feel. He must have
Now,
something.
one
I
thing-
thought he meant something bad for him or something good I feel. Sorry.
If when me have a woman and she a go out, she a drive herself.
My next question for the car.
No woman, no friend that pick up my woman them.
Go on.
One time I'm a friend of our,
Yeah.
he might go, where thing we keep every summer doing so. Thing with the park. Wait. Summerfest.
No man, I got Lilac Festival.
No man, the Jamaican thing man.
Oh, Carry Fest? Oh. My bad.
Sat there with them on the mall. The man say, yeah, man, I thought big old. Call my girl, I mean, I got Carry Fest.
Mm.
And call see, give him the sick voice. It's a 6 and I feel like going. So my dad said, oh, party tonight, big guy. So we go down there. When we go down there, if I own it, tell me what I own do. I not tell you what I'm do yet, but I know what I do, them tell me the answer.
Wait, we can't, they say they can't hear.
Beat them, go well attack a phone tonight. For real, hold on.
No, let's turn up Jay microphone.
No, what me can give them
No, just don't move it. Just turn it up, bro. You good. You gonna hear him. As long as nobody talk.
Hold on it. Where I say if you count
Bro,
to
we
5.
hearing him, bro. It's a studio audience. We good.
And the chat me I follow, me not follow you.
Bro, if me can
You can't hear if it's juicy.
Chat, turn up on the phone.
Talk your story.
Yeah, so we leave the mall. The top big, so yo, what am I gonna do?
Yeah, let's turn up Jay. Yeah, we're good.
Anyway, we're going to KFS and we're gonna get some drinks. As soon as we turn, I go down to the part where the water run from the wall. The man seemed girl with a man. And yeah, what only done do? What you done do if you go? Yeah,
I mean,
if you invite out your woman and she fake sick,
yeah,
and then you see her out to the next man.
Yeah, Jaja.
I'm gonna go say what up. I'm gonna go say what up, and then I'm like, you ain't gonna talk to me no more, yo. It's
That's
over.
something to make a grown man cry.
I'm definitely about to go be like, oh, word. You
know him like
You heard him?
No,
But
anger. To be honest, anger will get the best of me.
You gonna cry?
Probably I shed a couple tears, and then that's that nigga ass
Me I walk up and walk past.
I'll probably walk past, but I don't know about
But
saying
this
what
is
up.
I'm definitely saying
so,
what
but this is not what. Alright, so, alright, you know what? Alright, watch this.
Oh, so me know the person?
I'ma cry and beat that
No,
nigga.
no. We're not talking about the person that story.
It's somebody you don't know.
We are talking about the person who the woman there, we see the woman with.
We say it in the story. Is it somebody that you...
No, I'm not saying in the story, based on the story. The him know the man where mom's son up with.
But you say we know the person.
But we know the
Okay, alright.
So the person do. Wait, everybody said they
person.
do.
I said I'll walk past. Him say my approach.
Like him want to react and move to her. Like, girl, we are this bad man, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm a whole lot of man. I say, what you do? You can't do that.
Yeah, should hold on, pie, man.
And
you man a ball already.
Walk away and you don't know walk away, we start talking. You know me, a man, me a mustard, I start mounting.
Yeah, just.
We are cheer if you get what I say.
Yeah,
Go
yeah,
to the
ass.
Jamaica, I saw you come here. You have to be Jamaican sometime. Not Jamaica, but you have to be thick skin, I should say.
I did a good girl, you know.
Jaja.
Always I bring her to the shop and waiting.
Jaja, girl.
As my uncle would have turned around and
You know what I tell you?
What would you do?
If you invite somebody out that you're dating and they fake sick and so they can't go, and then you and one of your friends end up going to the spot where whatever it is, and you end up seeing your significant other out with somebody else. What's your reaction? What would y'all do?
The opposite sex too, not like their girlfriend or their boyfriend. Yeah.
Your man.
Jaja.
Christ, bucket.
No, I mean I try to clear it up for the chat.
They got it.
Alright, you think they got it? Okay. Chat, you got it?
Probably go confuse them.
What y'all say? Talk, man. What you think?
As I said before,
My
man,
ball.
my anger will get the best of me, you feel me? And then that's when I started to shed a little tear while I beat that nigga ass.
Yeah, beat him ass.
You know,
yeah, fight the man.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
For
For what?
For what, nigga?
Yeah, man.
Brother, I'm like an art in a she said, I'm here fucking girl, now why you want to come touch you?
He about to cry right now.
Hold on there.
You wouldn't want your... that man would want to go fuck female. So why you want to go fuck the girl, dog? Understand that, my youth?
I mean,
a prank, man. Now listen to me.
I think say that bad.
I always remember, you say a woman pussy is not yours.
Never.
What if me have a ring by a girl finger? What if we got a ring?
That's only legal.
We said our vows and stuff.
Listen to me, I said, you don't wash it, you don't clean it.
True.
You don't fuck it.
Yeah.
It's not
I spend money on it too.
I got to.
Tell us, I would see you.
She look nice and a woman, your mother is a mother. It's a woman, so same thing, you understand? So,
Well, the chat says, some of my chats, the chat say,
but it's not your
walk,
brother.
it's a walk fast. Once it hit the first exit door. And
Walk
then
belt to ass.
belt to ass. To
Belt
who
to
ass though?
ass.
To who ass though?
Both.
Your significant other or the person that you're with?
Belt to ass, bro. BT.
And then I say, I'm gonna crash out, so I'm gonna walk fast. Okay.
No, me know say me, if me there is certain niggas side of me, if me calm, me know certain niggas not calm. Me know that fear for.
No bother.
God, them respect me.
That's
so
what it
me
is.
say tell fear me know, like them gonna say, yeah, this a boss. Yeah, though. So me
Yeah,
know,
but can't see situation like that.
That's what I'm gonna speak. Like,
I'll probably be one. I'll probably be one of the first to be like, yeah.
Okay.
It would probably be opposite for everybody though. I feel like.
As soon as they hear that music, they start play cut.
No. The tune I gonna play with
Play
you.
tune I play for.
So we're gonna teach him right now.
Motherfucker.
Cause him still say, in blood clot, boy, I'm gonna beat the man. Cause you still not explain why you would have beat him, you know.
Don't put that pen while I'm playing.
Talk now. So let me tell you something, man.
Teach him.
There you go, man.
Like
Please.
Uncle Bean say.
Please.
No girl pump enough for you. You fuck
Like
it one
Uncle Bean
time and me
say.
fuck it
Listen,
two.
it no matter how much ring you put on it, I put a guard ring. You can't cover it.
Let me tell you something, if you never know you there, boy, I mean, you make she know me.
Yeah, to blood.
Carry news together in a bad man style now.
Alright, we do
Don't try to talk over him now, man.
why are you the old one that sing a song?
Yeah, because the man and the girl is see me.
Who's them?
Because
The man you have to beat up,
Yeah.
we take with your girl,
What time
and your girl is for you, and then take with your girl.
I'm going to shut him up.
Are your son
You
do
want me
have
to
to
shut him
do?
up right now?
yeah.
Shut up. You want me to shut him up, chat?
Do you have to do that?
Alright. Go on. Go on, Jay.
Wait, no. Where am I talking about? Wait.
Hold up. First of all, you have to speed past that like you can just say what you just said.
The chat have a buzz tonight. Oh my God. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yeah,
please.
man. Upon that note, we are going
No,
to sit in the car.
let me see.
The vibes are right now. So people, again in the chat, before we close out, everybody in the chat right now, I want y'all to put in the chat the next topic y'all want us to conversate on next week, or something interesting that y'all want us to research and come back and tell y'all our point of view on whatever it is. We're giving y'all a quick 5 minutes because we about getting ready to close out. But while we doing that, we want to give a quick shout out to everybody in the chat that's been tuning with us. We're going to let Bucky do the shout outs.
Alright, who did the shout out? Me? Me not even there work tonight, but chat. Allah, yeah. The chat was active. You want to do the shout out in the chat with me? Cause shit, the chat.
I'm going to
The chat been active. But anyway, chat, big up on yourself. You don't know to tune in to another Vibes Friday. Each and every Friday we're there. Big up on yourself. You see me I say? This week we could have called it an extra lesson week, you know? Yeah. It's an extra lesson week.
Yo,
Yeah.
quick shout out. Shout out to Navy. Shout out to Christine.
Hold on. Because you have to go from the top. Because you have to... remember we do register over here, you know?
Alright.
Samantha. Oh, I are from early. Oh, we
Big
are
up
from
management
early.
team. Big up management team. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's our
But shout
first
out
and
to the chat.
foremost.
What's in that chat?
We got Juicy in the chat.
Ooh.
We got Elsie in the chat.
Oh, that's wifey. You get, you know what I'm saying?
sorry.
Put respect on her.
Sorry.
Pull up that again.
Yeah.
Fly past me. Stop it.
A little bit louder, please. Repeat the name again.
Hold on. Who that chat?
We got y'all bugger.
Who that chat?
The man to big up.
Who that
The
chat?
man to big up. Fuck you, man. So chat, big up yourself. What's that chat?
Yeah,
You ring the man.
yeah,
You freestyle.
Yeah, me
Let's see
see
you
one
on
and
the
wife
way.
in that chat.
Go on. Wait.
Yeah.
No, maybe you got wife in that chat. Your turn now. What's that chat? What?
you know.
Right. Yeah. Who the last one? The last one go on that chat.
Herb say my speed was like
When the camera off, me explain to the chat. Big up for yourself. Yeah, tune in to another Vibes Friday.
Yeah.
And the vibes is lit. This is just a little.
If you like the vibe, subscribe.
Yeah.
If you like the vibe, subscribe.
Yeah.
If you like the vibe on a Friday night, come on, West. So. Alright. If you like vibe, subscribe. Come tune in with the guys. Like vibe, subscribe.
You know what's that one place since
Nobody go for that cartel song.
Let me talk to Keisha.
Alright, yeah, something. Yeah. Me, okay, you ready?
Yo, sorry, me, I got the wrong number. This no Keisha phone, this one, and Keisha, that Chris. Oh, Papa, I just say good wife.
You know me, they are on the
I think y'all have sugar cane, man, y'all have nothing for it. I know you that. I go big of it.
You know me, like good campaign and repeat. This is a black one, this is a punch.
Big up yourself, man, this is what my big. Boy, I eat that thing.
Millions of dollars to spend on you.
She see her Keisha, say she have a man a foreign. Regular go fuck it and come on the foreign. Cock it up all in the party like a carry. Good money believe what you tell me that she married. So yeah, Keisha brother.
No, but yeah.
Yeah, Keisha cousin.
No, it's not. Just land.
What do you mean?
Yeah, Keisha husband.
Yo, I saw the thing set down, if it's right, game set down. And every girl gets me interest. And every bell can't get the ring set down. Look how much money you got invest. And another man I take off the fingers down.
You know what kind of text me I get tomorrow morning?
Treat you like insect.
Morning sir, till the kaki ay.
She said.
Morning sir, till the kaki ay. Morning sir, till the kaki ay. Morning sir, till the kaki ay.
Girl, the man with the grip, pussy fat, it is stiff for it. Grip it, lad, a chip, beer pop, skinny dip. We taking it, put the phone face down, when the nigga ring it. Cock up in a bikini, me na fuck the bikini. With a cube, she who, but the pussy ficking me. Make a fuck a bimini, make a lick a pickissy. Tell us an icky me can't take it in it. And bag of the boy, say the girl body high. I'm man love for chip boom, boom, off his sky. Quick, alibi, tell him say the battery die. And the girl walk with 2 phone, I feel like she said.
Morning sir, till the kaki ay.
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 But if you no, girl I been up in a set that who say could do. Girl your pussy tight if you get a prize. Millionaire, sada my girl love a cocky do no. Tell me girl a Italy, say let it pick me. And me girl a Tiffany, we stop a girl for me cocky. Italy a Tiffany, and me say them sick of me. Come up on the figure, for me girl a lick of me. It a feel like a girl, but hey I am man love for the boom boom off his sky. Quick, alibi tell him say the watch it die. You be love is slim girl, but me give it fatty girl. She say, and the girl with me fling cocky. Yeah, I mean I show pussy sympathy. Girl, I go on like say she do I so we take it and fuck it for a shrimp body. One, slim girl, big body. One, we better not fi bring fatty. She want with me cocky and kidnap it. Pick up every girl, with a tight pussy. Me want a good pussy girl in my life today. Hey, your pussy good as me love for that. I am the boss strong with your tongue for that. Pick up every girl, with no fi broke for day. Every tight pussy girl we get enough money. Hey, your pussy good as me love for that. And you keep it clean on the joint today. I got out the road, want my body in them. One time when I can make it think them. And if you can fuck me, I go cuddle with them. Star girl alone can bring up the children. Uptown girl, them love bad man. Country girl, fuck your right side of the pig pen. Love when I send the naked pick them. Left eye keep on your teeth and by your lips them. Pick up every girl with a tight pussy. Me want a good pussy girl in my life today. Hey, your pussy good as me love got there. You let me balls jump on your tongue got there. Pick up every girl, when I feel rough for day. Every time pussy girl we get enough money. Hey, your pussy good as me love got there. And you keep it clean on the tongue got there.
Good body girl love feel like this one. Good body girl love feel like this one. Love when me get tight pussy fi go fuck. Come ready.
Tell you something we don't know. Me like bad bitch, me like go-go. She like pop pill, she like zone out. Let's see the chatting, do something with your throat all. No one a shy, she have a whore out. Pussy in your mouth, make it come to your nose all. Come on, I see now you for know some girl call.
if she no monkeys, I no lover, just smokings, me know about. Alright, but in charge, stop it, man, so I go with jazz. Clean skin, pussy, fatty, brother, when cock it that, so when clap it fast. And it no take long for me, drop it, jazz, I fast my jigs off my that is dark. She have to stop when she tap that. Style low, hey girl, there is something you don't know. Me like bad bitch, me like go-go. She like popping, she like zone-out. Let's see the chatting, something with your throat all. No one a shy shot, she have a whole road. Pussy in your mouth, make it come to your nose all. Come on, I see now you for know some girl call. And if she no monkeys, I no lover, just monkeys, me know yet. I late night, she a bring you on my doorstep. She dey push she head, push she knee, push she toe them. And she a tell me she don't like poor sex. Cause life is a hustle like Forex. Come from me words, she come from me projects. And me say she a slut, I'ma know them. All of you dirty ways if you show them. Not like you shy, something you don't know. Me like bad bitch, me like go-go. She like popping, she like zone-out. Let's see the chatting, something with your throat all. No one a shy, she have a whole road. Pussy in your mouth, make it come to your nose all. Come on, I see now you for know some girl call. And if she no monkeys, I no lover, just smokings, me know about. Alright, but in charge, stop it, man, so I go with jazz. Clean skin, pussy, fatty, brother, when pack it that, so when clap it fast. And it no take long for me, drop it, jazz. I fast my jigs off my that is that. She have to stop when she tap style, hey, yeah.
Me feel first night. I mean, I know if for the white term, but something I'm feel like. Open up a cook, make a bird fly. Bye. Stir fry. Yeah, man. Bad man a party, think them they close by. So look off your phone like, yeah. Dirty money, we have a portion of it now. Portion of liquor and a portion of bitch. Had the cigarette smoke, make me sick. Tell Spuddy say for all and a bit, cause the weed just light and the energy just a kick. Who no better send a Uber for me? I bet there's some fuck up in here. Watch it, go ahead, move, watch it, yeah. Move, da. Mr. Fry enough for dinner. Who know what you make me stir it up? Give me weight, hurry up. New shoes, dirty up. White rum, double cup. Gala wine, bubble up. Give me more rum, you know. Friend, you see killer dance, the thing them they close by. So lock off your phone like. Dirty money, we have a portion of it now. Portion of liquor and a portion of bitch. Have smarty girl a choke pan a. She a choke pan a dick. There's so a float pan a pill. She say she smoke, she no drink. The thing them they near range. Big plane, they a alien. Dirty money, we have a portion of it. Yo, portion of money and a portion of clip. Had the cigarette smoke, make me sick. Tell Spuddy say for all and a bit, cause the weed just light and the energy just a kick.
Yo, Kyle, just let bugs and make it chronic up in my current. Let me switch it up a little bit, switch just a little bit, money down a little bit, and some big long gunman bringing it. Fuck some pretty chicks, not your little bitch. Give y'all 1 million, that little bit boy. Go over this with your little brick. Them gyal a bump and body and jiggle it. My girl scream out from your pussy little bit. Like I'm really rich. Just spend 3 million for my Philly bitch and man make it dirty money. I'm flipping it life man.